Hi everyone, and welcome to this video designed for those of you that are traveling this summer. So I know a lot of us take long car rides because we take family trips, or we get away by ourselves, or we fly somewhere beautiful for the summer because you have time off and vacation to spend. So I encourage you during this flow to use this during your travels and allow yourself to really enjoy your trip. All right, so this is something you can do when you arrive, maybe before you go, or throughout your week if you're not doing kind of the same thing that you would do weekly. So let's go ahead and start standing, because most of you are gonna, get out of the car, get off the plane, stand up, and just widen your stance here. Exhale, soften your knees, and we're gonna grab opposite elbows as we fold forward, and then hang our head down to the ground as we sway from side to side. You're going to place your hands on your shins, lift the spine halfway. And then exhale, fold forward for me. Inhale, slowly roll to stand, engage your core, reach your arms up to the sky. And then exhale your hands to your hips. Good, stand up nice and tall, lift your chest. And then take your hands into your hips, push them backwards as you fold forward. Release your hands again. Shake your head and then rotate it to one side and then the other. Good. Exhale, turn the toes out, sink down into a squat. So option 1, you're going to rest your forearms right here. Option 2, sink all the way down, breathe in. Good. Exhale, breathe out, straighten your legs. And then crawl to the top of the mat if you're not there, and you don't even need a mat for this flow, so it's up to you. And then exhale, step your left foot back. Peel the right arm up high, open up, breathe in. Good, exhale, walk to the left, wide-legged fold, lower the head. Come back to center, breathe in, frame the foot, bend your knee. Good. Exhale, straighten your legs, lift your front toes, fold over the shin. Step your left foot back to the front, roll to stand. Inhale, reach up high. Exhale, fold forward. We're going to take our right foot back now. Place the right hand down, inhale, left arm up, and twist for me. Good. Exhale, hands to the inside, take a walk, fold forward. Spin back to the front, breathe in, frame the foot. Exhale, straighten your front leg, fold. Hold 3, 2, and then exhale, bend the knee, big step up. Inhale, roll the body inch by inch, bone by bone, all the way up. Shoulders come last, and then interlock the fingers. Pull them down your tail, open up your heart. Good, and then exhale, soften the knees, bow forward, drop the head, and then just work the knuckles all the way together here so you can pull the arms to the right and then pull the arms to the left. Good, bring yourself back to center, release your hands, roll up again slowly. This time take your arms up high and then bring your hands to your heart. I'm going to turn and face you, so you might already be facing me depending on where you are. Maybe you're, like I said, on a mat waiting at an airport, at a rest stop, on a long drive. Exhale your hands to your legs and just shift side to side. I promise yoga in random places is becoming more and more normal these days. Good, breathe in, and then inhale. I just want you to straighten your arms and your legs, working to the hips. Exhale, hands to thighs, come back down. A little side to side action for me here. 3, 2, and then inhale, firm the legs, reach all the way up into the sky. Good, turn the toes in. We're gonna bow forward one more time. And then just feel the body move over to one side. Take that nice long stretch for one side, and then watch my hips. I'm gonna push them the opposite direction away. And then exhale to the second side. Take my hips, I'm going to push them away. Good. Come back to center, slowly roll up the spine, inch by inch, bone by bone. And I'm not going to have you much on the floor because I know that a lot of you are, maybe not in a space where you want to sit down. So I just want you to hug your right knee to your chest for me. So stand on your left foot and make that left leg really, really straight, high up with the knee. Good, big breath in for me. Roll the hip forward once, and then reverse it once. And then ankle crosses over thigh, sink down into those hips. Good. You can take your hands down. This is a much harder option, or you can keep your hands right here at your heart. Breathe in slowly. And then inhale, bring the knee back to the chest. Stand up really tall, pull the knee in. Exhale, release, and let's switch sides. So hug the opposite knee to the chest. Stand up tall on the right foot. Really firm your glutes, bring the knee up high. Take a big inhale in. Exhale, big circle in one direction, and then the opposite. And then we'll take that figure four again. So again, we're working those hip flexors, quads, hamstrings, joints. So really finding that body. And again, fingertips can come down if you want. 3, 2, inhale, stand up, hug the knee. Exhale, release. And now I just want you to take your hips in 2 circles in one direction. So you'll just find that motion, 2 circles in the other direction. Good, and then from there, I want you just to bend the knees a little bit, take your hands around the legs, and then exhale, drop your head one more time. Good. So this flowing movement might feel really nice. Again, we barely put our hands on the ground except for some of those twists. So you can take this sequence into the airport carpet, release your hands. Some airports now even have yoga rooms, which is awesome, where you can do your own flow. You can take this into a rest stop, maybe find some nice grass to flow in. I just want you to open yourselves up, so giving yourself that opportunity to be quiet. I want to end here just with a standing quiet meditation. Sometimes if we're jumping back in the car or we're headed out on an awesome trip, our energy is really high. So I just want to close here with a nice standing meditation to allow ourselves to come into a place where we're ready to go. We have great energy, maybe for our trip or our drive or our flight, and we're feeling good. So let your hands rest next to you, let your eyes close, and then find your breath in and out. Notice each inhale and each exhale and how you feel, how your body feels with this movement. Hopefully it got your blood flowing, everything moving, and your energy back to positive. Bring your hands to your heart. Have a safe, awesome, fun travel. And thank you guys so much for practicing with me. Enjoy your trip, and if you have any questions about maybe aches and pains while you're traveling, feel free to comment below. Thanks, everybody.